Hey, welcome to another show. Happy Halloween! That's right. We have a Happy Halloween special show today, and we're going to be testing out the cool Pumpkin Master Sculpt and Carve carving kit. We have two of them right here. Gonna have a fun day carving pumpkins? Stay tuned! On each pumpkin carving kit, you will see that they have different patterns right here that you can use. You have an owl, cat, witch. On this one, you have the same type of patterns, but you have a different type of, looks like a little type of saw. And this will carve like halfway into your pumpkin. We've never used that before, but we're really excited to use that. So are you ready to go carve some pumpkins with our nieces?
Yep.
All right, showtime!
All right, now go put it in the water over here.
Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. These are super easy to use. I love the patterns that they have. I'm going to have a link down below where you can find this on Amazon. And like always, check out our other videos on here. Have a safe, happy Halloween out there, and have a fun day. Bye-bye.
Yes.
Boo!